This simple $5 listing actually makes over $2,600 per month. And on this video, I'm going to break down exactly why they are doing so well. And guys, before I get into this, my name is AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, and selling on Etsy. And if you're interested in any of that, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now let's get into this madness. Check this out. Look, I'm on this fantastic listing. It's a bestseller, boom, right? It's got 11,000 views. It's a 3-month-old listing, guys. It is a image, a digital product or a clipper of a bunny with glasses and a bubble gum and a bow tie coquette. Now, some of you are thinking, how the hell is this listing making so much money? Well, I'm going to break it down and tell you exactly why it's doing that. And just a quick note, if you're looking at this thinking, I could probably do this, but I'm not sure how to start, I put together a 20-minute AI design challenge where I walk you step by step to create your first Etsy ready design from scratch. No experience needed, no pressure, just follow along and you'll have your first product ready. There's a link in the description, so go try it out. This Easter related digital product is one of the best examples of something that has worked and for the Etsy algorithm that has favored it. And I'm going to tell you why it's favored it, right? And there are a few reasons why it works. Now, first of all, let's just go to the analysis so you can actually see the data, see the numbers. Remember, do check out EverBee. That is where you can actually find out how much listings are making, how well they are, and all of that good data. So check out EverBee. The link is below. You can see here it's making $2,688 per month. It's a 3-month-old listing. And in fact, it has a growth rate of 1,300%, which is phenomenal. Right? Absolutely phenomenal. But there are a few factors and a few reasons why it's doing so well, right? Now, if we're using EverBee, I want you to do this. When you use EverBee, go check out your visibility score. This has a visibility score of 100%, which is actually amazing, right? But what it does, it ticks so many boxes. And these are the boxes that they tick. You can see this image. It has a bunny's face. Now, if you did not know already, for Easter, one of the trendiest kind of designs are the bunny's face, a cute bunny face with glasses. It's just the trending one. And if you've been watching and looking at Etsy for the last few months, you'd have probably noticed that there are a few listings with a similar sort of style that have been selling very well. They listed it up around February time, right? Which is a really good time. In fact, I'll probably advise to list up slightly earlier. So they managed to catch the wave of those Easter buyers really, really well. Now, let's look at the other things that are making it work so well. It has a coquette bow tie. This bow tie is also a fantastic addition to the design, which people are looking for. So you've got bunny face, tick. You've got glasses, tick. You've got the coquette bow tie, tick. And you've got the bubble gum in the mouth. Tick, blowing a bubble gum, which is also a big one. Again, guys, you have to know Etsy and you have to know about these trends that are appearing. Now, this did not happen by accident. This seller knows what they're doing. They've been monitoring, watching the game, seeing what kind of clip arts are selling. And this is what you have to do. Research is the biggest thing that you need to be doing when you're on Etsy. So many sellers ask me, AJ, why is my listing not selling? And I keep saying, because you have not tick the boxes. You have not combined the things and you are not selling something that people are purely looking for. And the thing is, when you have a volume of a lot of customers looking for something specific and there's only maybe a few sellers doing it and the competition is not there, then you go viral on Etsy. And this is an example of a viral design. Now, I've looked at this store itself and this is one of the most profitable digital products that they're selling, right? Which shows that it's all come together. The planets aligned for this one, but they've ticked all the right boxes. I can see also on the title, they've got a lot of good keywords that people would be looking for this particular design. And also the mock-up is fantastic. This mock-up, I would say, is also one of the latest types of mock-ups. Now, if you have a listing and you sell digital products and you're not using trendy mock-ups to showcase your design, then that is one huge reason why you're not selling, right? You have to be up updated, not only with your design types, but also with your mockups, trending keywords, do your research for the keywords. Let me just go to analysis. Not everything is going to be a great keyword, but I can see that from the top keyword, one of the top ones, it has relatively low competition. And one keyword that people do look for is bunny bubblegum, right? It's not the biggest, but it will contribute massively to the sales. And then you have the Etsy algorithm, which is pushing the designs, if you like, that match what the customer is actually looking for. And if this happens many a time, then you'll see that the design will start selling, converting, and then it will get pushed up onto the first pages. And once you get to the first pages of Etsy, then you can almost guarantee sales because you'll be seen the quickest. And guys, my tip to you is when you see something working, trending with a good growth rate, right? That's happening. And again, you do need some research tool to do this. This is the indicator. Now, I did a video on Easter bunnies maybe a month ago or 2 months, possibly 2 months ago, where I actually said that this type of design is trending. And I did that a while ago because I'd already spotted the trend. And this is what you have to do. When you spot a trend, then you have to double down and you have to create many different variations of this. Not all of them will sell equally and not all of them will sell to this amount. But what you will do is you will create many different variations of a design, and then one of them hopefully will actually take off properly. Others might sell and maybe get you hundreds of dollars a month, but then one will take off that will hopefully break through the thousands of dollars per month. But I will show you really quickly how to create something like this in around 20 seconds. So do check this out. AI design platform where I love to create fantastic clip arts using this. So do check out the link below. I've got 25% off all the plans, but you can try it out for free. So definitely have a look at this. Now, I'm going to create a really simple, very quick, and I'm not even going to really go in and amend the design. I'm just going to do something very quick for you guys just to show you the kind of speed of this. I'm going to create a clip art right now. So I'm going to say create a cute bunny face in a watercolor style, put a pink coquette bow tie with white polka dots and place it on the left bunny ear. Also put pink glasses on the bunny and also show the bunny facing the camera and blowing a pink bubble gum. Right? I've just literally just done that with you a cappella, just straight off the cuff without any kind of editing, just straight written prompts just to show you how easy it is. Now, it might not be exactly the same, but it gives you the flavor of how quickly you can do this. And then all I need to do is click generate. Now, let's see what happens. I've clicked for 2 different generations, 2 examples. This takes about 15 seconds to produce. It's so quick. Now, look at this, guys. There you go. Now, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. That's just one try. And what I'm going to say is remove background. Okay, actually, why am I saying that? I can just do it by clicking this button. Remove the background. Look at that. There you go. That is just giving you an idea of how quickly I can create something, right? And obviously, I would add to it. I would change. I would obviously do more. I could do it in a different style. I could do it with the faux yarn style. I could do it a more realistic look. I could do what I like because it's that simple and that easy, guys. Once you know the principles of what works and what elements people are looking for, you can create designs that people want. And that's how it works, guys. So remember, guys, it is as easy as that. Go away, make some money, sell some digital products, and go sell some clip arts, guys. And before you go, if you're serious about actually getting started, don't just watch this and move on. Go and try out the 20-minute AI design challenge. Create your first design, and once you've done it, you can send it to me. I'll personally record a video to show you how you can improve it and how I'll turn it into a listing that actually sells. And if you want more help beyond that, that's exactly what I do inside my academy. But start the challenge first. Link is in the description. And don't forget, if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.